Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about the products that I'm trying out today. I just got an incredible PR package in the mail from Lottie London, which is one of my favorite makeup brands. They make such incredible products that are affordable. You can get these products at Walmart, Ulta, and this here is one of my favorite types of makeup products to try out. I've got the Plumped AF Sheer Plumping Lip Gloss. So they sent me a clear one and a colored one. This is in the shade Baddie Pink. It does come in 4 total shades, so there's 2 other colors, and it retails for only $6.98, like $7. Lottie London is cruelty-free, vegan, and I am so excited to try these out. So I always let you know when products are sent to me for free, so I like to give that disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video, but I am so excited about this PR package. I have some other exciting makeup products to try out soon as well. My birthday is on Friday, and this is like a fantastic birthday gift to get in the mail. And let's go ahead and jump into this Baddie Pink shade. And I'm so excited to see what this smells like. So let's check out the applicator on here. And this is also supposed to be very moisturizing, which my dry chapped lips really need. And so let's check out this applicator. Ooh, I love this big doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh. You know when you smell something and it gives you that like nostalgic feeling like of something that you've smelled before that's so enjoyable? That's what this immediately gives me, like a sweet, fruity, chewy candy. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love when my lip products have a good smell to them. I can't wait to put this on my lips, but before I do, I'm gonna resist and let's do a little swatch. Ooh, I mean, you can't really see much of a color here. It almost has like a slight shine of the light pink, but gosh, this has some great sheen to it. Maybe a little hint of shimmer. This looks very promising. Let's see how it is on my lips now. Yeah, like almost a slightly like holographic pink sheen is kind of what it's giving me. Oh my gosh, the smell. Oh, so incredible. I love that it's a nice thick formula. Ooh. And I can already feel a little bit of that tingling. Like, I love when my plumping lip products actually have a feeling to them. Feels like they're actually working. Right away, it's kind of like a mix between a cooling and a more of like a burning, tingling feeling. Right now, it's not super intense. It's not too uncomfortable at all. Oh, but this shine is so pretty. You can't notice any of that really like shimmer, sparkle. It's super tiny. I feel like it just kind of adds to the shine of this. And I love a super shiny lip gloss. And then the moisture. My dry chapped lips are completely hydrated now. Wow, I feel like this looks so flattering. Like, you can't really notice a color to the lips, but yet it seems to just like really enhance them. Really like a smoothed out, juicy, shiny, moisturized look to the lips. And that tingling, burning isn't getting any worse. So it's really not bad at all. I feel like I don't notice too much that my lips have gotten like bigger, but they are smoothed out, and that super high shine gives the illusion of fuller lips. So I love this. This looks and feels so good. And for only $7, I feel like I've tried so many plumping lip glosses, more expensive ones that don't do anything, aren't shiny, aren't enhancing to the lips, and this is exactly what I want in my plumping lip glosses. Like, it hydrates, it smooths out the lips, but it's also not irritating my lips. I have tried out some extremely burning lip plumpers that will make like the outside of my lips red. I don't want that either. This is just that perfect in between, just anytime type of lip gloss as well. Very easy to throw on, easy to wear. I'm so excited about these. I highly recommend, but if you have already tried them out, definitely let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.